Hello and welcome to this Promathematica for Competitive Exams channel. My name is Gracie and I've been teaching mathematics and Java since the early 2010s. We're going to start the discussion about competitive exams a little differently than you may be expecting. This module elaborates the problems and solutions for aptitude test and its comprehensive demonstration through Java programming. Why would I want to use Java? Well, here's a peek ahead at the answer. Because we'll be able to develop easily. A competitive examination is an examination where candidates are ranked according to their grades and/or percentile, and then top rankers are selected. Competitive examinations are considered an egalitarian way to select worthy applicants without risking influence peddling, bias, or other concerns. Early exposure to learning and competition builds confidence and sharpens skills, which raise your level from other students on the same platform. Competitive exams also help out in choosing a career as students start identifying their areas of interest while getting a deeper knowledge of subjects. Top business schools based in North America, Europe, Asia, and Australia conduct this exam. Several leading corporations also conduct such tests for assessing potential candidates' quantitative reasoning skills. Today, I am going to cover a very important topic. It is pipes and cisterns. I am going to represent several problems and solutions based around this topic. I will be writing code for the solutions using Java. So, let's get started without further delay. A tank can be filled in 10 hours. After a leak in its bottom, it takes 12 hours to fill the tank. Find the time taken by the leak to empty the full tank. Here is an answer with explanation. Part of the tank filled in 1 hour before the leak equals 1 by 10. Part of the tank filled in 1 hour after the leak equals 1 by 12. Part of the tank emptied in 1 hour by the leak equals 1 by 10 minus 1 by 12. So, 1 by 60 part of tank will be emptied in 1 hour by the leak. Therefore, the full tank will be emptied by the leak in 60 hours. Two pipes can fill a tank in 10 and 14 minutes respectively. A third pipe can empty the tank at the rate of 10 liters per minute. If all the pipes working together can fill the empty tank in 8 minutes, what is the capacity of the tank? Let the capacity of the tank is x liters. Part of the tank filled by two pipes in 1 minute equals 1 by 10 plus 1 by 14. 10 liters is emptied in 1 minute. X liters will be emptied in x by 10 minutes. In x by 10 minutes, the whole tank will be emptied. In 1 minute 10 by x part of the tank will be emptied. As per question, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 14 minus 10 by x equals 1 by 8. Therefore, x equals 215.4 liters. A cistern can be filled by an inlet in 6 hours and can be emptied by an outlet in 8 hours. If the inlet and outlet are open together, in what time the cistern can be filled? Here is an answer with explanation. Part of the tank filled by the inlet in 1 hour equals 1 by 6. Part of the tank emptied by the outlet in 1 hour equals 1 by 8. Net part of the tank filled in 1 hour equals 1 by 6 minus 1 by 8. 1 by 24 part of the tank is filled in 1 hour. Therefore, the whole tank will be filled in 24 hours. Java is a high-level, class-based, object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Programmers write once, run anywhere, meaning that compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. The JDK is a development environment for building applications using the Java programming language. The JDK 12.0.2_Windows x64_bin exe includes tools useful for developing and testing programs written in the Java and running on the Java platform. In addition, the Spring Tool Suite, STS, provides the best Eclipse-powered development environment for building Spring-powered enterprise applications. STS supplies tools for all of the latest enterprise Java and Spring and comes on top of the latest Eclipse releases. STS supports application targeting to local, virtual, and cloud-based servers. It is freely available for development, and internal business operations use with no time limits. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the tank emptied duration in hours for earlier solved problem 4. Define the tank filled in 1 hour before leak and tank filled in 1 hour after leak member variables and initialize them. Next, net part empty at by leak is calculated as the difference between tank filled in 1 hour before leak and tank filled in 1 hour after leak. Next, the tank emptied in duration is calculated as 1 by net part empty at by leak. The last step is to return tank emptied in duration. Here I am printing the tank emptied in duration by calling Pipes Cisterns method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the tank's capacity for earlier solved problem 5. Let the capacity of the tank is x liters. Part of the tank filled by 2 pipes in 1 minute equals 1 by 10 plus 1 by 14. 10 liters is emptied in 1 minute, so x liters will be emptied in x by 10 minutes. Next, in x by 10 minutes the whole tank will be emptied. In 1 minute 10 by x part of the tank will be emptied. Therefore, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 14 minus 10 by x equals 1 by 8. The last step is to return tank's capacity. Here I am printing the tank's capacity by calling Pipes Cisterns method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Here is the problem statement. I am going to define a new method for determining the tank filled in duration for earlier solved problem 6. Define tank filled in 1 hour by inlet and tank emptied in 1 hour by outlet member variables and initialize them. Next, net part filled in 1 hour is calculated as the difference between tank filled in 1 hour by inlet and tank emptied in 1 hour by outlet. Next, tank filled in duration equals 1 by net part filled in 1 hour. The last step is to return tank filled in duration. Here I am printing the tank filled in duration by calling Pipes Cisterns method. Execute the code by right-clicking on the Java class. Here is the result on console. Hope you liked this video. In order to see new videos, don't forget to subscribe to Promathematica channel.